Check out the Chevrolet 2019 Silverado 1500 LT if you are looking for a first-rate auto. This one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, heated front seats, seat heated driver, power driver seat, OnStar system, lane departure warning, rear backup camera, remote vehicle start and AM/FM stereo. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.